Hi guys, it's Tech Jake here, and today we're checking out something a little different from your usual tech gadgets. This is the F3226-60 Gas 60 range with griddle. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tech Jake, this isn't a smartphone or a laptop, what are you doing? Well, hear me out, because kitchen tech is underrated, and if you spend a lot of time cooking, having the right tools really changes your experience. So, let's dive in. First off, just looking at this thing, you immediately notice how massive it is. 60 inches of pure stainless steel, with a built-in griddle and multiple burners. This isn't a range that's going to sit quietly in a small apartment kitchen. No, this is for someone who's serious about cooking, or someone who's hosting big dinners regularly. It's a statement piece, but it's also designed to perform. Now, let's talk about the build quality. This is solid stainless steel all around. Everything feels premium, the knobs, the grates, the surface. You're not dealing with flimsy parts that bend or wear down after a few months. The grates themselves are heavy-duty cast iron, which means they distribute heat evenly and hold up to serious use. Even flipping a large steak or simmering a sauce for hours, you're going to notice the consistency and temperature. Speaking of heat, that's where this range really shines. You've got multiple burners, each with independent flame control, so you can go from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil in seconds. And that griddle? Perfect for pancakes, bacon, or even searing burgers. The size is impressive, giving you a ton of cooking surface so you're not cramped, and the heat distribution is very even. No more hot spots that burn one side while leaving the other raw. Now, one thing I really appreciate is how easy it is to clean. Stainless steel surfaces can sometimes feel like a hassle, but the design here keeps it simple. The grates lift off, the drip trays are removable, and the smooth surfaces wipe down easily. If you're someone who hates spending more time cleaning than cooking, this is a huge plus. The range also comes with some thoughtful extras. The oven underneath has multiple settings for baking, roasting, and broiling, and it heats up quickly thanks to powerful burners. You also get a full-length broiler and even convection options, depending on the model. So, it's not just a stovetop, it's a fully featured cooking hub. Now, let's talk aesthetics for a second because yes, this matters, especially if your kitchen is on display. The sleek stainless steel finish looks modern and professional. It's the kind of range that makes your kitchen look like it belongs in a cooking magazine. And while size matters in function, the design makes it feel balanced, not overwhelming. Of course, you might be wondering about installation and space. At 60 inches, you need a serious kitchen to accommodate it, so make sure you measure your space before considering this one. Gas lines need to be professionally installed, and yes, that's an extra cost, but for what you get in performance, it's worth it. Performance-wise, this range doesn't disappoint. From frying eggs to slow cooking a stew or searing steaks, it handles everything with ease. The griddle alone is a game changer if you love breakfast or want a secondary surface for searing meat while keeping your burners free. And the oven's consistency ensures that whatever you're cooking comes out perfect every time.